The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. At approximately 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the Miami Police Department received reports of a suspected shooting at the Miami-Dade County Fairgrounds. Civilians in the area have heard what sounded like someone opening fire and began to run to avoid being shot. It is unknown if the claims are valid, but it is speculated that a genuine shootout is in progress at the fairgrounds. The Miami Police Department has been called in to mitigate the situation. At this time, authorities are asking all residents within a 2-mile radius of the Miami-Dade County Fairgrounds to stay away from the area at all times. If you are currently on the road, exercise extreme caution and follow detours set by law enforcement. If indoors, close and lock all doors and windows as a precaution. Further updates will follow as the situation develops. The following is an administrative message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. The threat of a shootout inside the Miami-Dade County Fairgrounds appears to now be non-existent, as after close analysis from the Miami Police, it was found that the suspected sounds of someone opening fire at people are believed to be a false alarm. Civilians are currently giving their testimonies to the Miami Police regarding the shootout, though none of their testimonies have been confirmed. Repeating, the Miami Police Department has deemed the threat of a shootout inside the Miami-Dade County Fairgrounds no longer holds, as it has been considered a false alarm. Further updates will follow as the situation develops.